Finally, school is over and I can watch some YouTube. What is that?
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片，在香港这座城市的设置。主演钱德勒、罗斯、福波斯伊、瑞秋。
Right, it must be some kind of prank. Well, it looks like I will have to find another app similar to YouTube. I found something that looks like YouTube. Maybe here I can watch a Fortnite video. What? I haven't even opened it yet. It looks like the original YouTube. Let's watch something.
Hi guys. I will be eating a cheeseburger today. Let's begin. This cheeseburger is really huge. It was delicious. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Or I will come to your house. Bye.
What the hell did I just watch? Wait, how do I stop the video? What's wrong with this app? What is that sound? Go away, man.
Mr. Beast!
Welcome to your final test.
Hey, Kenny,
I'm Mr.
what are you
Beast.
doing?
I really want to have 69,000 crystals and Genshin Impact.